In this proof of concept video, I want you to imagine trading a pattern that I'm going to show you in the following. It's easy to show a chart in hindsight and say, here are trades you could have taken. What I'm going to show you is a pattern that repeats itself over and over, and therefore it is tradable in real time. This is a sterling dollar chart from January 26, 2021, a 15-minute chart. Each one of these red lines here represents an amazing trader support line built in real time. And what is it building? It's building momentum to the upside, but each line we call a ladder rung. So imagine you're able to switch gears because of what you're seeing here. Where many in the market were still trading earlier weakness, the market was now in a buy mode and real money was buying. How do we know that? You see it in this pattern. Buy against any of these lines here. As long as the line stays intact, your trade stays intact, and the trend or momentum stays intact. So I'll take a pause and I want you just to look at this chart and imagine you could trade using patterns as you see here. And just to show you it works in other currencies, here's a euro dollar in the same day. While the magnitude wasn't as great a rise as we saw in sterling, it was still fairly significant, almost 70 pips so far. What they have in common is that each one of these ladder rungs, drawn by the Amazing Trader, were never violated on the way up. As long as they weren't violated and you bought anywhere along this pathway, your trend's intact and the risk is still pointed in the direction of these red lines, these ladder rungs, which is to the upside. So if you can imagine yourself trading with the help of patterns like this, be able to identify patterns like this, just scroll below this video, click on the Amazing Trader directly where you can subscribe, or you can also subscribe for the strategy guide, which explains in full how to identify and trade patterns such as the one you're seeing here.